Hi, I'm BJ Schrader and this is Wendell Young. We're going to show you how to install a standard 2-band stainless no-hub coupling onto this 4-inch piece of cast iron soil pipe. This particular coupling conforms to ASTM 1277 and CISP 310. Now, one of the most common methods for installing no-hub couplings is to use a T-handle torque wrench, like this one, set to 60 inch-pounds. A much easier method, and the one that we're going to use, is to use this Milwaukee M12 cordless no-hub coupling drill driver. The important thing to note is that it can be set to 60 inch-pounds for standard couplings or 80 inch-pounds for heavy-duty couplings. Now, Wendell's assembled the pipe with the stainless steel shield at the bottom of the pipe, and he's folded down the gasket so that he can insert the fitting into the gasket. So now he's folding up the gasket so that he can slide the stainless steel shield over it and make sure that the two tops are uniform. And now he's going to snug it up just a bit. Final step has to be to cinch the bottom or the pipe side band, followed by cinching the top band, which is the fitting side band. And there you have it. A perfectly installed stainless steel 2-band no-hub coupling, installed using the Milwaukee M12 cordless no-hub coupling drill driver.